Hey guys, what is going on? It's Carlos here. Hope you're having an awesome day so far. So guys, I'm tired from work, sore back, etc, etc. Complain, go whining, Carlos, whine on. Anyway guys, it's time for episode 2 of season 2 of Black Lightning. Loving this show guys. Let me know down below if you guys are. Also, if you want to watch a full reaction to this episode, because I think full reactions are sometimes better than just YouTube reactions, right? Because you have to cut that one up. You can show a certain amount of episode, I guess. Otherwise, you get struck down. Sometimes you get struck down, even if you are following the rules, like me a lot of the time. But anyway, guys, if you guys want to see that, check out my Patreon. Anyway, enough complaining, enough talking. I'm tired. Let's get this out of the way, guys. I cannot wait to watch the episode. Let's go. Is he playing chess now?
Where were you?
With him.
And I was where she told me to be, covering the exit. Like if I would have known.
If you had known.
I'll beat them both at chess.
Listen carefully.
Why are you slapping? Because you're beating him at chess.
Move.
Yeah, that'd be terrifying. What the hell? Imagine if she gets back into her pod and just shuts the door. Damn, this is some weird music with some weird scenes, dude.
Don't be scared.
I'm not saying that's weird music, it's just a weird music choice. Yo, it's getting windy in here, boys. That's cool.
Hey. How you doing?
I'm breathing. On my insides, it feels like my damn blood's itching.
It's a withdrawal from green light.
You scared the hell out of me. I'm not trying to take care of some zombie from the damn
Oh,
dead.
I see.
Tiffany,
It's the power that he has.
I want to walk away.
It makes
And
people
I'll never want
think.
to see you again.
No.
wait, Tiffany,
It makes people think what they're actually
Tiffany.
thinking, really? Is it? What they're really thinking? Because if that's what she's really thinking, then she can get screwed, man. Yep. We know it. Oh, cold water. Sometimes cold water is my favorite drink. Oh, she's keen, man. Dancing's pretty average, though. Nice neck workout.
but you say goodnight to your last guest, and then you sing me a song naked. And heels, of course.
Damn.
Confident much? You know.
Damn.
Okay. I like that. I have to go.
Okay, but are you sure? I'll call my pilot, get the jet ready. We can have dim sum in New York.
Damn.
So you got it like that?
I do.
Just as good as everybody else. A better look. Of course.
Nice Photoshop.
He's white.
Yes.
And the board.
Mike Lowry.
The board is afraid of
Kyle
the
Lowry
backlash
from the Toronto
from
Raptors. I guess
students. The media.
could be related to him, but
Because he
Mike.
is coming to a predominantly black school.
That's cool.
Just go away. No.
I got slapped the F out of me, man.
Come out here.
Oh shit.
That was for killing Black Lightning.
Oh, why are you mad about that?
He saved me from the 100.
And I didn't even mean to kill him on purpose. I was just getting used to my own strength.
Do you think that
You didn't even kill him.
Look, I know. I
Okay.
know you have
Sincere,
feelings for me
I guess.
too.
Oh shit.
Say you don't. Say, but you think I'm afraid of the police?
Khalil, get the hell out of here. Now.
Yet. I was hoping you wouldn't. Remember.
What? It's gonna kill him.
Understand. I
He's
love
dead.
you, man. And I love you too, brother.
Damn. Oh my god, help me! No. Stealing all the power. Imagine a video game with her. He'd just be like spamming the button to use her powers. He'd be like, bad impression, but yeah.
Take you. It's right over here. You make yourself at home, okay?
These people be like, yo, two good-looking daughters.
Jeff,
I'm in.
need him.
Okay, I see what's
What are
happening.
you looking at, body bag boy?
Jennifer?
I didn't mean to say that out loud.
No, it's cool. I miss my own family being together like this. We were always saying crazy stuff.
I'm a grown-ass woman.
Then act like a grown-ass woman. You coming off the deep end. Jumping
Holy
off cars
shit,
like a
man.
damn fool.
What's happening here? Stop whining, little girl. I'm sick of it.
Oh my
So
god,
your
I'm laughing too
jugular
loud
vein
now.
is twitching a lot.
This is too good.
Well, ever since I came back alive, when I'm around people and when I look at them, it makes them tell the truth.
Nope. Let's try again.
Do you like ice cream?
I hate it. Thank God I can still lie.
Yeah, the truth isn't always good.
Oh no. No way. Is she gonna go up to them? Damn, that ain't cool. What did happen? I can't remember, man, if anything did happen.
Hey, how you been? It's peachy. Look, I'm sorry I haven't called in a minute. Things have really been crazy. I can tell.
How was your vacation? I realize I don't like my wife and kids. But thanks for lending me your home in the Caymans. Next time I'll bring my girlfriend. You've always been a good friend. Need anything else? No.
You was gonna kill him. Why is he going around killing people? Getting rid of all the witnesses?
You have the metagene, Issa.
He's got a crap
The
one.
gene destabilizes
Ask
the
for,
cells.
ask for a refund, bro.
And the cell.
And die? Or
So I'm gonna die.
Without a cure, yes. But I'm
So
working
that's the
hard
truth?
to find.
I could direct the scene, guys. No wonder she's scared. I'm tired. Had to stop myself from yawning there. That's a cool trick, Black Lightning. Okay, it wasn't a trick. Yeah. Not fatally, just a little bit. Piece of cake. Oh no, she's still seeing triple.
I know someone who can help you.
I think I'd get in the pod. But then Tobias Whale could take me, so maybe I'll just chill with my family who hates me.
What happened?
Is that a hickey on her neck?
I lit her up. It shocked her out of her psychotic episode. After that, she elected to go back into a pod.
She'll wake up to Tobias's face. Yo, can you put me in one of those and wake up in 100 years? I want to see what everything's like. But then I might want to go back, so maybe don't. But I'm going.
I loved it as a student.
But I'm going.
Loved it as a teacher.
But I'm going. Sorry guys, we'll stop.
And I've loved it
But
as
I'm
a
going.
principal.
He'll be
I
back
wanted to
when
be
everyone
one to
hates
tell you so that you
the
know
white guy.
that I still have love for my students.
Just some white students.
Okay, look.
Mike Lowry,
Thank
everyone!
you
Oh my god, it's Mike!
for always teaching me.
Let me see if I remember.
Right here.
Yeah. Mine. god! I love you! That's Black Lightning! Is that it? Damn it. So guys, what did you guys think about the episode? If you want to watch the full-length reaction, if you are not watching it already with me on Patreon, go check it out, guys. You don't have to join. I am dropping the price of my Patreon tiers, well, the full episode one, by $1 whenever it's renewing, which is in a month. So yeah, sucks to be one of those 3 people that joined for $4. I wanted to change it, but it was too late. It won't let me change it, which sucks. You should be able to change it and just refund them $1. That's what I want to do. But anyway, guys, that was a decent episode. Decent, but not that much action. I want action, man. I don't want an action man, one of those toys like I used to have when I was a kid. I want some more action in the show. I guess Tobias going around taking out everyone who knows everything about him. I guess that's kind of cool, but not my favorite episode. But still, a good episode to end the day because I've had a long day. Now I've got a little bit longer to edit this video. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, guys. And as always, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. May the Speed Force be with you. Peace out.